In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Excel waterfall chart or bridge chart with negative values. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is already set up correctly. This is especially important for this kind of chart because a waterfall chart works by showing how values increase and decrease over time or across categories. If your dataset includes negative values, that's completely fine. In fact, that's exactly what this chart is designed to help visualize clearly. Once your file is open, click and drag to highlight the data you want to use in the chart. Take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the full range, including your labels and values, so Excel can build the chart properly. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. In that tab, look for the chart options and find the button labeled Insert Waterfall or Stock Chart. Click it and then choose Waterfall from the drop-down menu. Excel will immediately generate a waterfall chart based on your selected data. At this point, the chart is usually close to correct, but there's one very important adjustment you need to make. Excel may automatically treat every column as a change, including your beginning and ending balances. In most cases, that's not what you want. Your starting value and your ending value should be marked as totals, so the chart reads properly from beginning to end. To fix that, double-click the starting balance column in the chart. This will open a formatting panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, switch to Series Options, then look for the checkbox labeled Set as Total and turn it on. After that, click the Ending Balance column and do the same thing again by checking Set as Total. This step makes a big difference because it tells Excel that those bars represent fixed totals rather than increases or decreases. Without this adjustment, the chart can look misleading, especially when negative values are involved. Once those totals are set, your waterfall chart is ready. You'll now have a visual that clearly shows how each positive and negative change contributes to the final result. This is useful for things like financial reporting, budget comparisons, profit analysis, or any situation where you want to show movement between a starting number and an ending number. And that's it. You've successfully created an Excel waterfall chart, also known as a bridge chart, with negative values.